Hey guys, welcome to Neo Art Cafe. Yes, this is in QC and we actually visited. So for those who don't know me, my name is Kathy and I do walkthroughs of place, journaling, blind boxes, anything that makes life happy, and Neo Art Cafe is one of those places because I had a chance to go ahead and visit it. My husband had a guesting on PTV4. It was quite near, so I said, you know what, can we please go there because I want to see all of these blind boxes. And it did not disappoint. Grabe, the inner child in me was so happy upon entering, even though most of the figures here I had no idea of. Just because they look so nice, so cuddly, so displayable. Totally dopamine decor, guys. Like a lot of dopamine decor. And then they also have Kuromi, which my little sister super loves. And then they have the Toy Story alien guys. And grabe lang, ang dami rin nilang Emma. So if you're into Emma, grabe, super duper dami. They also have a lot of Pokemon. I think they have One Piece. Kung ano man itong mga anime stuff na nandito. I'm not familiar with anime. I think the only anime I really know is Sailor Moon. And I don't even know if that counts. Then, ayan na. Ayan yung mga blind boxes. Pero medyo nabudol nila ako sa blind boxes kasi may mga naka-display. And then they have the prices. Akala ko you can get the ones on display. Kasi syempre, di ba, you wanna get the one that you actually like. Hindi pala, guys. Blind boxes talaga yung binibenta nila. Kasi nga naman, unfair. Kung kukunin mo na yung mga gusto mo, tapos syempre, maiiwan na lang yung mga hindi kagustuhan or baka hindi ganun kabenta. So, they put it on display to make sure that you get really enticed to buy nga naman the blind box. Katulad niyan, di ba? Grabe, sobrang cute. Pero I did not get the dopamine decors kasi I already have an entire display shelf of dopamine decors. But I did get dalawang blind box. I'll show you guys at the end what I got and then my reactions to it. But grabe lang, sobrang happy ng lugar na to. I also wanted to get the Pokemon, but it was 1,800. So, medyo out of the budget siya a little bit. And then, ayan na yung mga iba pang Pokemon stuff. Things that you can actually color. So, one of those I did with Callie for a project before. And hanggang ngayon naman, naka-display siya ng maayos. They also have these tumblers, mga baunan. I got one of the baunan for Kali. Mahalo. And super nice. And then these are actually diamond paintings, hair clips. I got a lot of the hair clips. Though ngayon nagpagupit na ako ng buhok. So, itatabi muna natin siya. But diba, sobrang ganda ng diamond painting niya. Ayan like, whoa. And it already has a ready frame. And then they also have this ceramic paintings. I know I got one of these from KKV. I need to, review soon. This one, I should have gotten for Kali, kasi I got one for Brent when he was younger. But I didn't. So, medyo challenge kasi all the way sa may bandang Banawe, Quezon City to siya and then, ayan yung other materials niya. Cute lang, diba? I actually wanted to get the Kuromi, but I didn't know if my sister would want to display frames pa. So, my sisters and my brothers, the younger ones, they're kind of minimalist. Ayaw nila maraming abubot. Ayaw nila maraming naka-display. Kami naman ng ate ko, kami mga maximalist. Ang dami naka-display, ang daming abubot. So, syempre, diba, ganun talaga pag mga magkakapatid, hindi same yung mga personalities. Pero ayan, diba? Na-imagine ko if, yumaman kami, may mga ganyan kami. Like, alam mo yun, hindi kami yung may mga Birkin, hindi, ganito. Ito yung mga makikita mo sa bahay namin. Like, pagpasok mo, mga dopamine decors. Ayan si Stitch. Naalala ko yung friend ko si Rochelle. Hello, Mare. They super love Stitch. And then, meron ding cinema roll. Alam ko, I got the cinema roll kasi that one was a diamond painting figurine. I've never heard of that. I've never seen it done. I will be trying to do one of those in the future. So if you were into that, make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know which ones you like so far. I also got one of the Lucky Emma keychains for my stepmom. And she was very happy naman. So I explained to her na it's a bag charm. Kasi, she's a nice person to me. Okay, so to me, I don't know her well enough pa talaga. And then, ayan. Grabe kung pwede ko lang bilhin lahat to. Pero naisip ko, hindi naman gano'n kadami yung bags ko. And then, paulit-ulit. And then I saw this. So it's not a bento baonan, but it does have partitions and I think it's going to be good for Kali. So I got this. I had it personalized. I hope naman magustuhan niya. And then ayan na. Yan na yung blind box. So I had initial 8. These are the final 2. So cute kasi siya, diba? Medyo kakaiba. And then reasonably priced. So the purple is the one that I actually want. So I was really, really hoping to get. So far naman, I have been quite lucky with my blind boxes. I normally almost always get what I want. But this time around, I didn't know if I was gonna get the similar one. Tapos nakita ko, ayan, may damit. Nalaglag ang phone. So nakita ko yung damit, tapos parang realize ko, hindi siya yung violet. So, medyo nasad ako ng slide kasi sabi ko, parang walang damit na black yung violet. 'Di ba? And ayan na siya. So, it is a bag charm. I am particular na bag charm sana, hindi yung plushie lang. Kasi, at least kind of my purpose. So, ayan na siya. So, that one, cute pa rin naman siya. It ended up going with Nell. I gave it to Nell kasi kakulay nga. Charot! It's an inside joke to us. So, it's not, it's nothing offensive or what have you. It's an inside joke sa amin. So, ayan siya, 'di ba? Nakaka-happy naman actually. And then, ngayon, ito naman yung other one. So, this one, my backstory. So, it's actually called Amigo. I did not know the name. I just really like how it looked like. And then, I wanted to get this one. The blue and purple one. And then I said I wanted to get the pink one. So, kahit ano sa dalawa, I would have been okay naman. So, medyo na-disappoint tayo ng very, very light doon sa unang blind box. Pero as with anything, di ba? Something you may not like will be liked by someone else. And then, ayan! This one, my luck has come back. I got the one that I actually wanted. Yung unang-una kong tinuro. O, di ba? Super cute niya. Hanggang ngayon, nasa bag ko siya. Yung bag ng mommy ko na, let me just check what it is. Yung Anelo. I think we got this for her in Hong Kong. And, wala lang. Saya-saya lang. Diba? Nakaka-happy. Tapos nagkagalaw-galaw na very light yung yung mga mata niya. So, ang saya lang din. Tapos, cute, diba? Kasi may parang sungay-sungay pa siya na purple. And again, it's a bag charm. So, overall, I was really, truly happy with my walkthrough inside Neo Art Cafe. And then, oh my gosh, the food. The food was fooding. The food was really giving. Sobrang sulit. Lahat masarap. And malalaki pa yung serving. Doon ako actually na-amaze. So, if you are ever in the area, I would strongly recommend dropping by Neo Art Cafe. Super nice. Sabi ni husband, the matcha was also good. He was so impressed with the French toast. I was so impressed with my pasta. Kasi diba, hello, tingnan mo naman, very first class yung dating. Ang saya lang. So, make sure to drop by if you want some blind boxes, if you want dopamine decors, and if you want good food.